How to change your password on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your password on your Instagram account. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to change your password, simply open up your account, your Instagram application, then head into your profile first. Once you're on your profile, you want to tap on the profile hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen here, and then you can head into account center. You can see here, once you're on your account center, you can see the option account settings. Under it you can see password and security. Simply tap on it, and there you can see the option that says change password. You want to tap on it. It should give you the option to choose the account. You want to choose your particular account, and once you have done so, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter in your current password, and then enter in your new password and retype your new password and change it. In case you have forgotten your password, you can use the forgotten your password option as well. So this is how you can change your password on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.